At Williams Toyota, we believe that peace of mind shouldn't end when your factory warranty does. That's why we offer extended service agreements, designed to keep you protected long after the standard coverage expires. In this video, we'll walk you through how our plans work, what's included, and why they're one of the smartest ways to protect your investment. You'll learn about the real benefits of an extended service agreement, including protection against unexpected repair costs, added perks like roadside assistance and rental coverage, and how your plan can even boost resale value. Plus, we'll break down your coverage options, so you can choose the right level of protection for your driving habits and your vehicle. Let's dive into it. An extended service agreement is vehicle breakdown coverage that begins after your factory warranty expires. It helps you manage repair costs that typically arise once your original coverage ends. Most expensive repairs occur after factory coverage runs out. With a service contract, you're protected from surprise repair bills, and you can even finance the cost right into your vehicle loan. Every plan includes emergency roadside services, rental coverage, and even reimbursement for food and lodging if a breakdown happens far from home. Plus, the coverage is transferable, which can increase your vehicle's resale value. Choose from 3 comprehensive options, each designed to match your vehicle's needs and your driving habits. Whether you're looking for full protection or just powertrain peace of mind, we've got a plan for you. Our plans are backed by trusted providers and supported by the team at Williams Toyota. When you service with us, we even cover your deductible, keeping things simple and stress-free. Protect your ownership experience with an extended service agreement from Williams Toyota, because peace of mind should come standard, wherever the road takes you. Have questions? Ready to build your plan? Contact us or visit Williams Toyota today. Your vehicle and your future self will thank you.